Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with a song that my brethren, my good friend 9X, has been pressuring me to do all week, dog. We don't know what about that song. Every minute the man texts me, like, say, yo, dog, the song done already? No, brother, I'm not do it yet, dog. So pick up yourself. The J, you know yourself, you see me? So, we're here with Connect Law Corrupt Part 2. Yeah? I don't know what it's about or what, but me see a girl in the video, so I'm thinking, is it? I don't know. Maybe it's one of Labas normal song them when sing about corruption and bad mind and darkness and all of them something there. But we don't know. We're gonna jump in it and see what going on. 9X, big up yourself, my bro. Big up yourself, G. Let's get in this one. Let's go.
Yes, so you're giving up slowly. Yes, I'm changing, I know nothing about me. Yes, I'm skin catch a fire, feel browning. You not listen to killers, I do your own thing. You say your man knows it. Them say Lord Jesus for silver, you diss me for grocery. No fear.
Them say Lord Jesus for silver, you diss me for grocery. So she has a bag of things. She has a bag of things where Ima do. But what she do? What is she doing? That no one know. What is she do? Well, I have a think about she. You see me?
So my skin catch a fire, feel browning. You not listen to killers, I do your own thing. You say your man knows it. Them say Lord Jesus for silver, you diss me for grocery. No afraid for be lonely. The youths them weak and I recently me start notice.
Yeah, sure. The youths them weak, brother. And since lately him start notice that the youths them weak, brother. Like Wagwan, the youths them weak to fat catches. That's why I must say. Let me see. Him say something else on my miss pan, cause somebody come in the room a while ago.
Them say Lord Jesus for silver, you diss me for grocery. No afraid for be lonely. The youths them weak and I recently me start notice.
The man said him say him not afraid for be lonely. So basically him tell you, say, listen, I would rather be lonely and happy than be with you and unhappy. You understand? That's what the boss said. I would rather be lonely than and happy than to be with you and unhappy. Alright? Yeah.
Afraid for be lonely. The youths them weak and I recently me start notice. But one thing me tell myself, if you fuck by me nah hang myself. Me no girl clown dog them wild. Enough time me see girl spoil up friends, but
if you fuck on me not hang myself, why should I hang myself? Eh? Furthermore, I know me a fuck pan, or your bed you fuck pan. Or whatever, roof a bed or whatever chair or whatever you fuck pan. I know me a fuck pan. And yourself you hurt, you not hurt me. You think say you hurt me? Wrong, smarty. I know me you hurt. And yourself you hurt. Me don't have that in my mind. So the only two things sure of in life is born and death. And you can't change my mind. Born and death is inevitable. You understand? On the salvation lasts forever. So fuck on me, you know, I know you fuck on yourself, you fuck on the bed and the mattress, and me.
one thing me tell myself, if you fuck by me nah hang myself. Me no girl clown dog them wild.
Never.
Enough time me see girl spoil up friends, but
enough time.
One thing me tell myself, me no sleep a girl yard ends me a rent.
Never get caught sleeping. Me no sleep a girl yard. Ends me a rent. I'd rather go rent a hotel room than to sleep a certain girl yard. You understand? Yeah, that's the thing there. I admit to when I was younger. True story. When I was younger, I'm gonna say this like me old. Me not that old. Me not old. Me sleep at one girl yard. No, I go there, never meant to sleep. I never meant to sleep. But you don't know after me leak out, me get weak out and drop asleep. Our man is a police. But the man was on shift. Now go call the parish. I not like that. But if she watch this, she know. Me drop asleep. She drop asleep too. Early before the morning, me wake up. I say, boom. Me car park in the driveway like say, on my yard me there. Me there so. Rang up. But I'm here to tell the tales. Me know say if the policeman did come in the morning and see me get knocked. I wouldn't be here. Man, that kill me and kill the girl. Cause it's a bad boy police too. So You don't see if a girl yard with G. Me learn from the night them. You don't see if a girl yard, bro.
Dog them wild. Enough time me see girls spoil up friends, but one thing me tell myself, me no sleep a girl yard ends me a rent. Born dog no ramp with the meds.
Dog.
You want leave so continue step yo. You want love but me no have that for nobody want a man we love dog so get a parrot with a cocky girl.
Man say yo, if you want to leave, go on basically go on. You want a man to love talk cause right now me dark in them, then I want to talk you know. Get a parrot with a cocky. I see why the next one what me react to that song again. I'll be lyrics not that song again my youth.
You want love but me no have that for nobody want a man we love talk so get a parrot with a cocky girl still give man bun with all the kitchen sorry me I do more one a thing me nah live for please nobody mad smarty me we come here with my matic in a forehead naturally me I laugh when me see man married.
Mad smarty me we conquer with my matic in your forehead. Me a mad smarty, don't try them game there with me. Certain things we do with your ex man, don't try think you come over here so cause first of all, me nah no love for you, me nah no weakness for you. Know that. Me strong and I Gideon. Me firm. Cause me nah have no love. And once me nah have no love, you can't get my heart. Yeah.
Still give man bun with all the kitchen sorry me I do more one a thing me nah live for please nobody. Mad smarty me we come here with my matic in a forehead naturally me I laugh when me see man married. People ask if me no have family. When me love gone that vanish. Yo, baby.
People ask me if me not have family. The man say when him love gone that vanish. So when time him love gone, our family vanish. I just him alone. Like what she say, him alone in the dark room. Him alone him know. Him alone him see. You understand? So whatever you do, you can't hurt me.
If me no have family, when me love gone that vanish. Yo, baby you cute still. I fit tell you the blood clot chode still. But ask Mali who no can't get the crew pill. Just take the arrow from Cupid.
What you saying about Mali?
Yo, baby you cute still. I fit tell you the blood clot chode still. But ask Mali who no can't get the crew pill. Just take the arrow from Cupid.
You can't get the Cupid. Just take the arrow from Cupid. You know the arrow that take that one there.
Suck your man. One thing me tell myself, if you fuck by me, me nah hang myself. Me no girl clown dog them wild. Enough time me see girls spoil up friends, but one thing me tell myself, me no sleep a girl yard ends me a rent. Born dog no ramp with the meds. You want leave so continue step. Yes, you're giving up slowly. Yes, I'm changing, I know nothing about me. Yes, I'm skin catch a fire, feel browning. You nah listen the killers, I do your one thing, you say your man bossy. Them sell out Jesus for silver, you diss me for grocery. No afraid for blood.
Yes, for grocery, go ahead.
The youths them weak and I recently me start notice. But one thing me tell myself, if you fuck by me, me nah hang myself. Me no girl clown dog them wild. Enough time me see girls spoil up friends, but one thing me tell myself, me no sleep a girl yard ends me a rent. Born dog no ramp with the meds. You want leave so continue step yo.
Yo, this bad. 9X, big up yourself, bro. 9X, big up yourself for that recommendation, yeah. Yo, the youths them weak, brother. The youths them weak, and I recently the man noticed that, brother. No joke, brother. Bro, this is a song where the youths them can learn from, brother. The youths them can. If you have a bit of love in your CMA, that's fine. That's all well and good. But always remember, yo. Always damn remember this, brother. Them girls out there, so Jesus Christ, they are not normal, man. They are not normal, man. Yeah. When Labas sing them song, yeah, it touch you differently, cause Labas are Labas, brother. Labas is Labas, brother. That song, yeah, deserve to get more views. How much views upon it? Okay. Labas. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, my G. Never disappoint, bro. You never disappoint. And that is one of the most talked about comment. That is one of the most common comment you see. My artist never disappoint. Blah blah blah. But Labas not disappoint. Well spoken. Bad song. Put together as usual. Bad. Labas is just that guy, bro. Labas is just that lyrical machine, bro. Anyway, this one I'm gonna leave down. If you enjoyed that one and you want to see more from your G, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. Join the family. The door is always open, man.